Researchers conducting experiments with a novel technique for sequences. These are the problems that occur in read aloud. I have 5 tips that can actually help to ace the read aloud. Follow these tricks and ace your read aloud and get 90 on 90 in your speaking and a very good score in reading portion. Number 1 tip for read aloud is speak without emotions. Whenever we are doing the read aloud, we have to make sure we are speaking without emotions. We are not showing that we are nervous, anxious, or anything. Be confident and speak at very normal pace. Usually, what thing occur in exam is researchers conducting experiments with a novel technique for sequencing individual cells have been made a surprising discovery that challenges our existing knowledge of genetic rules. This shows actually that I am nervous, but I am not supposed to do this when I am attempting my test. I have to make sure whenever I am reading the read aloud, it has to be without any emotions. Speak it at a normal pace and go plan. Researchers conducting experiments with a novel technique for sequencing individual cells have made a surprising discovery that challenges our existing knowledge. Now, error existing. I try to recorrect myself. That again causes a problem for me. So I have to make sure whenever I am doing this, I do not recorrect myself. I have to show whatsoever I am speaking is correct and proper. Let's do the correct way. Researchers conducting experiments with the novel technique for sequencing individual cells have made a surprising discovery that challenges our existing knowledge of genetic rules. By examining the genome of protist, they have identified distinctive deviations in the DNA code that marks the end of a gene. Yes, this has to be without any of the emotion, completely accurate, and you will get 100% marks for sure. So we have to make sure we speak without emotions in the read aloud. If you feel any of the word difficult, you can definitely skip it. Make sure that if there is any difficult word, we skip it, but make sure that we are not speaking it incorrect or correcting ourselves again. Correcting ourselves will give a hint to the software that there is something wrong. So score goes down. So we have to make sure we are not doing this thing in our exam. Number 2. Take accurate pauses on comma, full stop and connectors. We have to make sure that we take at least 0.5 or 1 second pause. If you take longer pause than 3 seconds, then definitely recording will turn off and nothing will be recorded. So we have to make sure that we take accurate pauses on comma, full stop and connectors. Let's look at the read aloud. It should be: researchers conducting experiments with a novel technique for sequencing individual cells have made a surprising discovery that challenges our existing knowledge of genetic rules. By examining the genome of a protist, they have identified distinctive deviations in the DNA code that marks the end of a gene. Go normal, take connectors. Where were the connectors? With. Full stop here. That. Comma here, they. So whenever you see there is a connector, full stop or anything like comma, make sure we take accurate pauses. That will definitely help us to speak naturally and will get a very good score. Number 3, don't be loud in the exam. Usually when I took my first test, I also did the same. I thought other people around me, they are speaking too loud. Will my voice be recorded? I was completely doubtful and I also started to speak like very loud. I was like, researchers conducting experiments with a novel technique for completely incorrect way. I have to make sure that this has a noise cancellation thing. My headsets has got noise cancellation thing in the exam. I have to make sure that I'm not speaking too loud. If I'll be too loud, then my voice will definitely become cracky. And cracky voice means 0 score in read aloud. So we have to make sure that we are not too loud. If others are speaking loud, let them please. You concentrate on the test. Make sure that we speak calm and composed way, how it should be. Researchers conducting experiments with a novel technique for sequencing individual cells have made a surprising discovery that challenges our existing knowledge of genetic rules. It has to be calm, composed and normal, and very good score will be there in the speaking section. Number 4. We have to make sure that whenever we are doing read aloud, we are not correcting ourselves. Yes, in this, what we have to do, let's take an example here. Researchers conducting experimental experiments. So I came back and corrected my word. So software becomes attentive and like something is wrong. The score goes down. So I have to make sure I am not doing this thing in my exam. I will speak like researchers conducting experimental with the novel techniques of sequence individual cells. Keep on speaking. Just continue with your speaking and you will get a very good score. Make sure no corrections are done, no coming back to the other words. If you find any word difficult, skip it, or if you have spoke it incorrect, don't worry. Just keep on speaking. Make sure that we are not correcting ourselves. This can definitely affect our score. Next thing, one line strategy. Yes, one line strategy. Honestly, recently I have taken the test and I have got 90 in my speaking, but my reading score was near about low as compared to the 90. Why? Because one line strategy has affected my reading score. Yes, I have got full 90 or 90 in my speaking, but reading has affected due to this one line strategy. So people who are aiming for 65 or 50 or 50, 60, they can definitely use one line strategy. If they face problem in pronunciation or have little bit more pauses than usual ones, then go for one line strategy. Otherwise, if aiming for 79 plus, please avoid doing that. I'll only recommend one line strategy when you are facing problem in speaking, little bit or more pronunciation errors, more hesitations are there. To avoid these, then I prefer to go for one line strategy. Otherwise, a big no. Aiming for 50, 60, go for one line strategy. It's a very good thing, but we have to make sure even in one line strategy, no word should be missed, no word should be spoken incorrectly. If this happens, then reading will go very down and speaking will also go down. So we have to make sure that we use it wisely. This is a very good trick, I would say, but recommendations are only for 50, 60 or 65. If you want to go for one line strategy for 79, 100% reading should be there. There should be less errors in reading, then we go higher in the reading section as well. So follow it wisely. So these were the things that we need to focus on our read alouds, and we can use this trick as well. Thank you so much everyone. We'll see you in the next video and ace your read alouds.